Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Guyanese custard ice block. This delightful frozen treat is a staple in many Guyanese homes, perfect for a hot day. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your simple ingredients to enjoying the creamy, sweet result. Get ready to create a refreshing dessert that brings a taste of the Caribbean right to your kitchen. It's easier than you think. Now let's create the rich custard base. First, in a small bowl, whisk together your egg yolks, cornstarch, and a splash of milk until smooth. In a separate saucepan, gently heat the remaining milk and sugar until the sugar dissolves and the milk is warm, but not boiling. Gradually pour a small amount of the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs. Then, add this back to the saucepan. Once your custard has thickened to a nice, creamy consistency, remove it from the heat. This is where we add the signature flavors. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of nutmeg for that authentic taste. Now, pour the warm custard into a clean bowl or container. It's crucial to let it cool down completely to room temperature before moving to the next step, ensuring a smooth freeze. With your custard completely cooled, it's time for the final step, freezing. Carefully pour the custard mixture into your ice block bags or small molds. Make sure to seal the bags tightly or cover your molds securely to prevent freezer burn. Place them in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. Once frozen, your delicious Guyanese custard ice blocks are ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.